Hello, my name is Samir Chaudhry from McLean, Virginia. I built Mana, an AI system that can screen millions of potential cancer drug candidates in a single day, something that previously took weeks per molecule. Photodynamic therapy is a non-invasive cancer treatment that uses light-activated molecules called photosensitizers to destroy tumors. While it seems very promising, finding good photosensitizers is very difficult. A good photosensitizer needs to absorb light at exactly the right wavelength to penetrate deep tissue, and it needs to generate a lot of toxic oxygen to kill cancer cells effectively. Right now, testing even a single candidate takes either complex simulations or wet lab synthesis, each requiring hours to weeks. That makes large-scale discovery essentially impossible. So I built Mana, a geometric deep learning system that reads a molecule's 3D structure and its chemical environment and predicts its wavelength and efficiency in only 40 milliseconds. The main innovation is a dual graph architecture. One graph represents the photosensitizer itself, and a second represents the surrounding solvent, because the environment drastically changes how a molecule behaves. These two graphs are processed together so Mana learns the interaction between them, not just the molecule in isolation. Mana predicted absorption wavelength with an average error of just 12.5 nanometers, less than the bandwidth of many clinical lasers. For singular oxygen quantum yield, it correctly identified the better candidate about 80% of the time. I then used Mana to screen about 400,000 molecular candidates and it identified 40 candidates meeting all clinical requirements. What this means is that a process that previously required weeks of computation per molecule can now be done in milliseconds, at a scale that was simply not feasible before. Mana can accelerate drug discovery, making photodynamic therapy accessible to more patients faster. Thank you.